ka-2005 sesiqede iminyaka ewu-20 sikhona okwasigqugquzela ukuthi siqale umuthi wabahlali ubona ukuhlupheka nosizi labantu abahlala emjondolo ikakhulukazi. Ezinye zezathu wayikukhona umuthi wabahlali basemjondolo namhlanje ukubona abantwana basemjondolo eKennedy bedla ama-worms. Umntwana eyitshela ukuthi i-rice ngafuthi umntwana egcwele ama-worms ubuso uyadla umntwana uhleli phekwe etoilet eseligcwele. So kwangikhathaza nami lokho ukuthi asikwazi ukuvumela lokhu ukuthi abantwana bahlupheke kanje. Isimo esibhekene nabantu abahlala emjondolo abanawo amanzi, abanawo ama-toilet, abanawo ugesi, basha nemjondolo. Sabona ukuthi alikho izwi, akekho umuntu ephalamende omele abahlala basemjondolo, akekho kusishaya mthetho, akekho ku-city council. Sabona ukuthi we are on our own, fanele sisukume senze something. Umuthi wabahlali waqala kanjalo, it was out of anger, hunger and frustration, sathi akube khona esikwenzalayo because we care for our country. So ukuthanda izwe lapho, ukuthanda umphakathi, yingakho umuntu osukhulile namhlanje. Angisho nje ukuthi sesinamalunga angaphezu kwa-180,000 at least in 4 provinces of this country, in Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, Eastern Cape. Sesiyoqala Northwest. Umuntu osukhule kakhulu. So ukusiletha namhlanje umuntu uzoqinisekisa ukuthi imithetho eshawa eParliament siba nezwi kuyo, siyakwazi ukuyibonela izolimaza, izokhubaza ukuthuthuka kwabantu. So lo mthetho ke esizowuphikisa namhlanje, umthetho esivinye sizowuphikisa uthatha konke lokho besikuzuzile kwentando yeningi. It is reversing all the gains of our constitutional democracy. For instance, umthetho okhona njengamanje obizwa nge-PICE Act, Prevention of Illegal Eviction from an Unlawful Occupation of Land Act ka-1998, is now being reversed because it provides protection for abantu abahlala emjondolo. It requires ukuthi umuntu uma ezodiliza aye enkantolo to get a court order. Nakhona i-court must look at the circumstances of the person that is to be evicted. So sizovikela ukuthi ungaphasi lo mthetho ngoba uma ungaphasi, it means abantu will be rentless, homeless. It means there will be no provision of adequate alternative accommodation. Ukuthi abasazukunikezwa enye indawo yokuhlala, umasipala ama ediliza bazosala emgwaqeni nabantwana. Sizovika any form of homelessness ezokwenziwa yilo mthetho. Okusikhathaza kakhulu ngalo mthetho ukuthi ngisho uminister uclear ukuthi i-purpose yawo is to empower private land owners. How do you empower people who are already empowered? It is to empower state entities. Why would you empower someone that is already empowered? All the vulnerable people who are homeless, who are landless. Is our suffering not enough? So our message is to scrap the bill. There's no need for this bill. This is our message for today.
Onkhumbula i-land appropriation
expropriation.
Yes. Kufanele ukuthi ke mhlawumbe njengoba la wenza insizwa le imali emawuyeni oyidlela nawo lonto leyo uyakala kwazi walimala khona abanye abantu. Mhlawumbe ngikuzwa ukuthi ngathi kureverswa lowo mthetho loyo. Angazi mangizwe kahle.
Well, umongameli usayinile i-expropriation act early this year ukuthi umthetho ungathathwa ngaphandle ukuthi kukhokhelwe ababethathwe kuwo. So siyakusupporta lokho kodwa nakhona on condition ngoba uhulumeni akanendaba nathi kahle kahle. Sibonile ukuthi i-expropriation of land njengamanje kulesime ekuso nayo isafavor ongcwankulu abantu abanemali, abantu abanemhlaba, isapromote ama-land owners. Ayisho lutho ngathi. So bazo-expropriate nowethu, iqhala lethu yiland. Sebezo-expropriate nalesi kuyo imhlaba kanti thina sithi aku-expropriate umhlaba which is in the hands of the white minority commercial farmers. Umhlaba omningi usezandleni zabamhlophe, mostly white commercial farmers. They own 87% of our land. Sizovimba lokho ukuthi already si-landless. That's why simpintshe ke emjondolo. Why sizophuca lokho okuncane esinako angabe yithini esi-empowerisha uminister kanamahloni ukuthi uzo-empowerisha landlords, state entities, not to empower communities. Yingakho sithi uyinhlamba, uyikhilo, uyihlazo umthetho.
Siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho esiqinisekiso ngenhlonipho nje nanokuthi niphathelene ezolweni lase-South Africa nilwele amalungelo abantu abahlwempu ngoba lokho enikwenzayo bafowethu nibuyisa nesithunzi omnyama oswele ngoba umzonsundu wakwethu siyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ohlala emjondolo noma ongahlala emjondolo ebethanda ukuhlala so siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu nathi sikwaDukuza siyakuthembisa ukuthi-ke siyayinikela ngokuthi simnikeze amandla negama livela ekuthini ukuthi siyakusapotha kweni kwenzayo ngoba nilwela amalungelo omuntu. sonke ngisindemnyama bafowethu siyazi ukuthi-ke ukuhlupheka ikona kwenza ukuthi isithunzi sibe phansi basibukele kancane kube ngathi siyabantu abangenalutho noma abangadeserve lutho egcineni. And I think everyone deserve ukuthi naye abe la bonke abakhona ukuba semjondolo just a thing akuso into osuke uyifisile. So siyabonga nje kakhulu bafowethu kube isibonelo nakwezinye iy'nhlangano ey'khona, siyabonga nje kakhulu nanokuthi-ke iy'nhlangano ey'ningi suke ingeno kakhulu ezepolitiki ekuyinto egcina ilimaza into ey'ningi. So thina sibonga